Hello guys, welcome once again to PPC Ads Pro YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over how to install Google Analytics older version in your website. Let's log into Google Analytics. Here I'm going to create new account. Let's name your account. I'm just gonna enter Universal Analytics only. Then hit on next button and here you wanna type your property name. Let's name it something like UA older version. Then select your reporting time zone. I'm just gonna go for United Arab Emirates and currency as well. The next you can see there show advanced option. Right now we're gonna create Universal Analytics. Let's click on advanced option. And here you wanna tick it on the button. There's the first option, enter your website URL. The second one is create both Universal Analytics and GA4. Right now in this video we're gonna create Universal Analytics property only. Then hit on next button. And here you wanna select your industry category and business size and let them know how you're gonna use this Google Analytics. These fields are not mandatory. Right now we're gonna go with license agreement. Let's choose your country. I'm gonna go for United Arab Emirates. Then go to the accept button. Let's see here you got some piece of codes. You wanna copy these codes and paste it on your website. I'm using WordPress platform. Let's go to the dashboard. If you are using WordPress, you can easily follow these steps and then go to the appearance and theme editor. Then here you wanna go to your website header section. Let's click on it. Let's see here your header tag over here. You have to just paste the code that you copied from Google Analytics. Let's paste it over here. Then update your file. That's it. Then go to the analytics. Now you successfully install Google Analytics on your website. Let's go to the admin. And here you wanna find your account, that is Universal Analytics, and your property UA older version. So let's check whether it's working or not. Go to the real-time overview. You would find there a user in your website at the moment. So that's it for in this tutorial. For the next tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to migrate from Universal Analytics to Google Analytics 4. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.